Hello everyone, short video how to assemble Klicky. Here you go, we're gonna have all of that, and what we need is a few wires, several magnets, some glue, heat inserts, of course, clicky thingy, micro switch, and a few parts. So this is gonna be for attaching, and this is gonna hold the clicker like this. So here you go, so this is a dock, so just a part of dock, then you can attach it to your printer. Here you go, and let's do. First of all, we will need to put this in, and here you go, you have a very handy dandy arrow in here, so it means your switch needs to go like this. Here you go, it's here. And then we need a few screws, few self-tapping screws, and we're gonna screw that in like this. Nothing special. There you go, one done. Another one. Oh, trying to escape. There you go, that's done. It's clicky, and you can see here is the contacts, and we're gonna put magnets so that it will touch the contacts. But before we put magnets, we're gonna add some glue, and then the magnets needs to go in one polarity, and then this one needs to go other way around. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So both of those gonna go like this, yeah, like this, and then the other one other way around. So one at a time. Let's add glue, just a little bit of glue on the side, so we don't touch the contact bit. Here you go, and we can add it. Oh, here you go, like this. Let me move this away. And I have handy dandy tool which helps a lot. If you set it up properly like this, you can grab it and squeeze that in. There you go. There you go, make sure it's nice, and yeah, there you go, that's done. Let's do another one. Here you go, and to this side. And let's check this side like that. Goes like that. You can squeeze it a little bit like this, and then we're gonna come with the pliers and finish it off like that. There you go, I like it. That's it. So now, when it's done, we can check it with the multimeter. So I'm gonna put it in the continuity mode, touch it, and if I touch those magnets, it should be short. There you go, it's short. So it's beeping. And if I click, it's no longer beeping. There's no continuity. There you go, that's how it's supposed to be. Great, turn off. Now we're gonna add another magnet. So I'm gonna put a little blob in here and gonna pick the magnet, gonna take it and put it here. Yeah, so it's this way. So it means I need to turn it around and put it like that. There you go. That's done. Oh, let's not turn it around. There you go, little squeeze, and then we can finish off with the pliers like that. There you go, we want it to be flat, as flat as possible. There you go, and that's done. Now we have this one. Again, it's not necessary how it's gonna be, so you can just take a look how it's attracting. Yeah, so this is going like that, so I'm gonna put it like this, so it doesn't matter at this point. So yeah, dab a little bit of glue, and yeah, like this, and I'm gonna put it in. There you go, close it, and yeah, I can try a little bit with there you go, it doesn't want to go, so I'm gonna use this and squeeze it. There you go, like this, maybe just one. It goes a little bit inside, so there you go. Great. You can take like this, and it's in. So this is done. Next one, we have this. So this is a little bit more complicated because we need a few wires, and the wire's gonna go in there. I took up pre-terminated wires, if you can see here. Here you go, pre-terminated wires, because these are very small connectors, and yeah, I got it pre-crimped, so that's fine. And it's gonna go, yeah, I can see that this hole was a little bit. All right, so it's gonna go like this. And then you can see this bit goes like that, and I can also take the wire, bend it this way, and then put it through the hole on the other side. There you go, you can see the hole, and I'm gonna put it through to the other side. A little bit fiddly, but there you go, it's there, and I'm gonna leave it like that. There you go. I'm gonna dab a little bit of glue, and then I can check the polarity. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab magnet like this, and this is gonna be the like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it here. There you go. So polarity needs to be like that. And let's grab a dab of glue into here. Let's put it in slowly. Go. Let's grab one. Squeeze it. Let's take this and squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze, squeeze. Great, that's done. Next one, we're gonna do the same and put like this. Great. And then we can do the same thing. We dab here a little bit. We take a look how it's gonna be. It's gonna be like that. So we're taking and we're sliding magnet off. There you go, like that. And make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Squeeze a little bit like that. There you go. Cool. So that's done. And that, if we move it, it should take nicely like this. There you go. It's great. Now the last one, we're gonna dab it. Dab here a little bit. And then we're gonna do magnet like that. And there you go. We know which polarity then it goes. It goes this way. We slide it and make sure that it won't flip. We're gonna do a little bit higher like that and squeeze. And there you go. Job's a good one. So if we remove it, there you go. You have a Klicky probe, and there you go, and it goes like that, and hello, and clicky clicky. Great. And that's done. Next part is this, so docking station, and you don't need to glue it because it's gonna be underneath, and it has these flops that holds the magnet in. It doesn't need to have a contact. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see which way it needs to go. Again, just adding magnet here, and it needs to go like this. So if I put it like that, here you go. So I'm gonna slide it, make sure not moving it or not turning it around. But this one is easier because you don't glue it, and it's fine. So I'm gonna grab something to push it a little bit, and we can test it. There you go. And it clips very well. That's it. So now what I can do is I can test with the tester. Let's put glue back. I'm gonna do a test. Again, continuity mode. Great, and I grab both. And hopefully, yeah, we have continuity. And if we do click, there you go, click, no continuity, continuity, no continuity. There you go, great. So that's working. Now I'm gonna do another bit with the heat inserts. So this is to add the Klicky probe to the printer itself, so it holds. I also can add a zip tie. Well, we'll do it later. Okay, so let's turn on my heat press, and we're gonna add these heat inserts in here. There you go. And if you want to check the heat press video, please click a link below to check out the heat press video. There you go, and we go in and press it. And that's done. Next one, and that's done. That's it. Please subscribe, and yeah, watch out for the video when I add this to my Ender 3.